I know deep up my feelings for you.
Welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, my good people. Welcome back to your #1 channel for latest news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside our green white green country, so wey be Nigeria. And as usual, Reality Latest don come with another latest. We don't come with breaking news, we don't come with updates, we don't come with fresh reports wey we go like share give the general public. And no be like, my good people, things and things wey men know they like don still happen again for inside Edo State. Tragedy now don struck Ulueke community as gunmen wey men dey suspect to be kidnappers, as gunmen wey men dey suspect to be herdsmen don invade the home of a middle-aged man wey dey go by the name Pius Friday. And dis jaguda men wey invade Oga Pius Friday, dem last come kpai the man, and dem come last adopt his pregnant wives, and dem come still adopt his pregnant wife's sister. According to men wey observe how the matter take play, according to eyewitness, the jaguda men then stormed the residence of Oga Pius Friday at around 1 a.m. on Monday while the victim and his family bin dey crash while they dey sleep. The jaguda men now come feel the need to kpai Oga Pius on the spot while his wife and sister-in-law were dragged into the nearby bush by the attackers. And reports now dey ground say those men now dem drag enter bush na the only victims, na the only abductees dem. Meanwhile, the jaguda men then leave the couple their 3 children. And reports dey ground now say these 3 children, so after the jaguda men don do their jaguda activities and they don drag who they wan drag comot, when countrymen now come rush to the scene of the incident, they come dey find the 3 children dey cry in the pool of their papa blood. Another country person wey observe how the matter take play, another country person wey dey stay for the area wey come dey yarn dey give tori people under the condition say we no go mention him name. He na come dey yarn dey give men say dem hear gunshots, so dem dey for their armor, dem dey for their house, dey hear twai. Based on say they dey fear for their own life, based on say they don't wan go bear unexpected RIP, na why dem plaster for their own house. But last as everything now don finish, they gats run go where the thing dey happen to go observe, to go touch light, to go know wetin dey sup before they come find the 3 children. And then find out say the man of the house, Mr. Pius Friday, don bear RIP. Jaguda men don kpai am before they comot, and before the jaguda men they still comot, then kidnap his pregnant wife and her sister. And based on say them wey be the neighbors, based on say them wey be men who dey stay for the area no be winch, they don't know where the jaguda men now don put head. They don't know where the jaguda men now dey at the moment. Now I want to say this no be the first jaguda incident wey don happen for inside Edo State. Countrymen are not happy at all. Edo State people dey para, they no get joy at all. But however, my good people, the Edo State Police Command don confirm the incident, and their command spokesperson, that is the Edo State Police Command, their talk person, the man wey dey like yarn dey give tori people about wetin dey sup for the police their side, and this country person so dey go by the name Moses Yamo. He now don come outside the yarn say the authorities, that is the Edo State Police, they are very much active. They dey work to rescue the abducted victims. They no go sleep, they no go slumber until those men now then come back safely. According to how the talk they come aside from Oga Moses Yamo mouth, he said the command is very much aware and necessary deployment have been made in that regard. That is, they don't already know wetin dey sup and they don't do the needful, make men for do the calms. He said like this now, policemen from the Edo State Command don't enter the bush, they don't dey comb the area, and this now wetin they call rescue operations, and they do all these levels because say they want to rescue the victims them. They want to catch the jaguda men now we don't commit this crime, we don't commit this atrocity. Meanwhile, say men now no dey happy about this level. Say men dey para where they no get joy at all. The brutal attack don't create outrage and fear across the community, and don't make dozens of women now don't carry matter enter streets. They do I no go gree women know as protest. And as they march for streets to do their protest, them now they holler, they hold placard, they now they chant. The women now they demand for urgent action from government and security agencies to calm down the rising wave of violence for the area. Them now they yarn they give the Edo State Police Command and the Edo State government, make them do the needful, make them make sure say all this kind of thing now come to an end, because last it no make sense at all. Countrymen no want to dey shed tears, countrymen now no want to dey mourn, countrymen now no want to dey tell their fellow ones bye, but they want to dey tell them welcome, they want to dey get joy, they want to dey happy on a daily. And one of the women so wey dey do protest, and one of the women wey dey do I no go gree waka so wey be protest, come dey yarn dey give tori people. And one of the women now wey dey do I no go gree waka so wey be protest, she dey go by the name Rashide 2. She now come appear for one video, and for that video now she dey complain, she dey yarn about the things and things wey no dey play for inside their community. She now come dey let men dey know say Security for the area no make sense at all. As a matter of fact, they hardly dey see security operative, they hardly dey see policemen for their area. According to how talk take come outside from her mouth. She said now women don plaster, women dey do protest not only about the RIP of the young man and the kidnapping of his wife and his sister, no. But another reason why they dey do protest na sake of say long absence of security for inside AĐ0KP community. Security men now never plaster for a long time and e no make sense at all. Now according to the country woman now wey dey yarn dey give men for inside the video, she say insecurity don force many countrymen wey dey stay for the community before to abandon their farmland. She now dey yarn dey give men for inside Edo State and beyond say because of fear, sake of say men now no wan bear unnecessary RIP, dem don japa from their farmland, and that na sake of say herdsmen don take over. Herdsmen wey be say no be dem get land, no be dem know how dem take buy land, no be dem plant the things and things wey dey for the land, and as dem take over, na so dem take destroy crops there, na so dem take kidnap women, and na so dem take dey give men RIP anyhow. According to how the talk take come outside from the woman mouth, she said their cassava is being uprooted to feed cows, and anybody wey try to stop the herdsmen go attack the person, and like this now, they can no longer go to their farms to go dey do farm work based on say they no wan collect RIP. They no want come dey go attack the herdsmen now, make the herdsmen now no come change am for them. And currently for inside AĐ0KP community, they are living in fear on a daily basis. And after every my good people, after the woman now don complain finish, she now come dey call on the Edo State government plus the Nigerian police force and all relevant security agencies. So when they come to their aid, when they come do the needful, and she dey serve am warning. If men now no plaster security for the area so that insecurity go reduce. If men now no capture jaguda men wey dey cause jaguda activities so that men go fit get joy, so that men go fit sleep in peace, so that men go fit go back to their farms, e no go nice at all. So that's my good people. Now the talk wey come outside from the mouth of the country person wey dey go by the name RI0US. Now I want to say this jaguda incident so no be the first one to plaster for inside Edo State, but however men dey cry say make every recent be the last. Normally the Edo State government and the Edo State Police Command security forces there, they are doing the needful, they try. Last na human being na dem be. They come back see the jaguda men, they come back see the suspected herdsmen, kidnappers, they are one step ahead of the Edo State Police Command or the Edo State government or security agencies wey dey for inside Edo State. And that na another reason why men gats plaster am for the back of their mind say this security business to be one man something. We as a country person we still get role to play. If you see something, talk something. Before you go crash, before you go sleep, make sure say your door dey locked. Make sure say your environment is very much secure. Put on security lights there so that you go fit touch lights wey men dey waka for your backyard without your permission. So this my good people na the informate I wan share give the general public. Now believe very well say unto this informate so many country people go get lots of things and things to talk about. So no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so feel free make you drop your comments inside our comment section. Once again, now we be reality latest gist, and I would like give on our latest news on politics and many other cocoa with the sup for inside this our green country, so maybe Nigeria. And now if you be say you do this update and you go like to receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to reality latest gist, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news they come your side, now you go first receive the updates and you go even get them sharp.